Hey friends, hope you're doing great. Let's talk today about irrigation systems. They're really important. We don't think about them until actually something goes wrong. So just made a repair to a system that had a water leak, and we needed to secure it at the backflow device. This backflow device is required with an irrigation system if you're connected to a municipal system for your water supply. And it's made of brass. It has two valves on it. Now these valves are the only thing that aren't made of brass, and they're subject to corrosion and rust. When we went to turn them, they were actually seized up, so we had to secure it at the street. Now, instead of making a simple repair to a leak, we had to replace the backflow device, which can get expensive. So that's something I wanted to point out. It's a simple maintenance thing. When you're walking down the side of your home and you see this device maybe a few times a year, go up to these valves and turn them. Make sure that they move freely. It probably wouldn't hurt to use something like WD-40 or a water deterrent oil, surfactant oil on these valves. That will prevent or slow down the process of this corrosion from happening and causing these valves to seize up. Just something to keep an eye out for, and it'll save you money in the long run. So, have any questions? Let us know, and I hope you have an amazing day. Talk to you later. Bye.